Hey, is dinner almost ready? I'm really starved.
Yeah, here it comes, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, does macaroni and cheese smell great, huh?
Yeah.
You know, it's not too runny.
No, it's not too crispy.
You know what? I think it's just right.
It's perfect.
It's
perfect.
right,
It's perfect.
Tell you what, I'll make the macaroni and cheese tomorrow night, okay?
Okay, and then I'll make it the night after that.
Hey, but I get to make it the night after that.
Right, okay. Hey, listen. Are you ready for the second course?
Oh, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on.
I wonder what the poor people are doing.
Who could that be?
I don't know. Come in.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
Nice place you got here.
Thanks.
I'm from the Macaroni and Cheese Company. And did you know that the two of you have consumed, in 1 year, over 1.5 tons of macaroni and cheese? Yeah.
Well, we eat it every night.
Yeah. We know that. That's why we decided to donate to you boys absolutely free of charge 5 years' supply. Bring it in, Ken! Come on, just sit there tight. Here it comes.
Oh, pinch me. I must be dreaming. Oh my God. Hi. Nice place you got here.
Thanks. I'm from the ketchup company, and we've been watching you. Our records show that you've eaten 450 gallons of ketchup in the last year each.
Well, we eat every night.
Yeah, even Christmas.
Yeah.
Bring it in, Cloris!
Oh, my God.
It's all happening too fast.
Hey, enjoy the ride, little buddy.
Hey, nice place here.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm a scientist. I'm with the Loser Research Foundation. And we've been watching you guys with a lot of interest. And according to our studies, with the amount of macaroni and cheese and ketchup you've consumed, you've probably got tapeworms about this big.
Well, we didn't mean no harm.
Yeah, we just really dig the taste.
Did you really think you could eat that much garbage without any side effects?
Yeah.
Well, don't worry about it. Wheel it in, Leachman. This is a 5-year supply of tapeworm food.
Macaroni and ketchup and tapeworm food?
Man, we're set for life. Yeah, we are. Hey, this gives me an idea.
Hey, quiet.
Fattening up our tapeworms. Hey, fattening up our tapeworms.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I know, right? Look at this fucking guy just sitting up on the freaking couch with his dirty hooves all over the place. Again, you already know, I live in a barn. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Thursday, October 25th, 2018. And today, we're just gonna be doing a little bit of a crypto news brief, all right? Beep, 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 beep. You know, little fucking news thing here. Because, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can try a little bit of a different format today. Why not? Let's actually do some crypto news here. So, remember yesterday, we've been talking about Bakkt for 3 days in a row. Well, guess what? You know, I look at the news today, and Bakkt is not going to be released in December. In fact, now they're moving it up again, and they're going to release it again. They say now they're going to release it in November, as originally said. So remember what I told you guys, November 5th, and they pushed it back to December, and now back to November. So it seems like they're pushing ahead with that. So they might actually approve it any day. You know, anytime after November 1st, they're gonna release it. So just stay tuned to that. If you have any inquiries or anything on Bakkt, please look at my videos. At the end of the video, I will put links to yesterday's video and other videos talking about Bakkt. But I encourage you guys to watch yesterday's video on Bakkt. Okay, now second thing, let's talk about the economy crashing. Ooh, scary, scary times.
Hey, you want to see what I can do? All right, ready? Check it out. Beer, glass. All right, now watch this. Oh, hey, guess I'll go over here for a minute. Oh, holy crap, that's still pouring itself. Oh, wow. Oh, that's amazing. I've never seen anyone do that. You want to go out later?
Listen, guys, I haven't really been talking about this because, again, to me, it's kind of like a moot point. I've been covering this since 10/10. Remember 10/10 of October? So how many days is it today? Or is it 15? 2 weeks ago we started talking about this. We were told that the whole economy, that everything was gonna crash down on 10/10, or that we were gonna have a new world currency then, or whatever. I told you guys, don't worry unless there's a reason to worry. And so far, there's not really a reason to worry. Sure, we've corrected. Okay, sure, yesterday when we went down, we were negative for the year, so the Dow was negative for the year. If we look at the Dow today, I think they are coming close to gaining back the gains. To gaining all the losses that they lost yesterday. So meaning that yesterday we lost 608 points. 608 points is what we lost yesterday. So today we are already like at over 400 or 500, 450, some shit like that. It's noon. It's noon right now. So so regardless, we still got 4 more hours or so left in the trading day. And yeah, you know what I mean? Like I was just saying, it's a correction. We started off the month like at 26,000 points, 26K, and we're down to 24 something right now. It's not really a reason to worry until we actually get down. Sorry if there's a little noise. I just realized I'm really close to the door here. And the street's right out there, and that was just a bus and a truck. And okay, so when we start getting to 23, 20, 22, 21, 20 on the Dow, plus other factors, then start worrying. But so far, I mean, what's going to happen? What's happening now, which is we're going down to correction, we're correcting, and then we're going to go right back up. Is that correcting the fair value? Just a little incremental correction. That's it.
Excuse me. All right, move on. Nothing to see here. Please disperse. Nothing to see here, please.
And so far we're watching that. So look, even yesterday when we were watching, when the Dow went down 608 points, you look at the bond market, and the bond market was being bought up. What does that mean? That the actual government, the people running the stock market, the people running a monetary system, the Fed, all of these entities, they are all, remember, we talk about this all the time, how they're all colluding, how it's all a giant Ponzi scheme, how it's all fake, phony, and false. So what they're doing right now is that when they sell off in the stock market, they're just getting money from somewhere and then using that money to buy bonds. Okay? And then they sell, other bonds, you know what I mean? And then they buy stocks again whenever they need to prop up the stock market. They're doing less and less selling of bonds. In fact, when you see bond selling, what's happening is that other countries around the world are selling their bonds, selling their treasuries. Again, we've talked about this many times on this channel, where Russia's pretty much liquidated, all these countries around the world are liquidating their US stocks and treasuries and bonds. And China's the only one that's buying anything. China, a few countries here and there, but it's China and the US mainly. And again, when the US buys its own bonds, it's like a company buying back its own shares, It's pretty illegal, okay, as far as I know, and it's not a way to do business. Again, it's fake, it's manipulated, it's anyways. So with that being said, what happens is that when other countries around the world sell the US bonds, and then we have all this money coming into the country, again, if they don't put that money to work, that money goes into the system, and then we have hyperinflation. We start having more inflation every day. So what they do is that when other countries around the world sell their bonds, they get those bonds, they get that money from the selling of those bonds, and then they prop up the stock market. So they put that money within the stock market. And then once the stock market gets overbought, anyways, that's what the conspiracy of dunces like to say. But anyways, once it gets overbought, or oversaturated or whatever, what they do is that they sell off some of those stocks, okay, to correct it a little bit, and then what they do with that money is that they buy their own bonds, buying their own. Remember, bonds are just stock in the U.S. government. And yesterday we were also watching things like the dollar get stronger, and then watching gold and silver get stronger, which is not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be the other way around, meaning a strong dollar means falling gold and silver prices, or rising gold and silver prices means a weaker dollar. And that's really how a system that is supposed to be working correctly is supposed to run, not the way it's running now. It doesn't make sense. Nothing makes sense. So remember how we were talking about yesterday about Bakkt, where Bakkt is actually going to be a product that's going to be introduced into this whole system that is actually going to require physical Bitcoin to be used, meaning, it's going back to like a gold standard. And I don't know if they even realize what the fuck they're doing or going on, which is great. It's wonderful. But again, this is why I was saying yesterday that Bakkt could be like an iceberg to the banks, and the central banks are the Titanic, and they're just about to hit this thing, and it's going to be not good for them. Great for us, not good for them. But that's really it. So that's happening, and that's why I haven't really been talking about it much, even though I have been prompted by a few of you guys out there. Give a shout out to Jelena, give a shout out to a few of you guys out there that have told me to talk about this subject. But again, why I haven't is because we're looking at what's happening today, and it's the reason why I haven't talked about it, because it's not really doing anything that we should be worrying about yet. When we start seeing 1,000 point loss, 1,000 point loss, 1,000 point, things like that, okay, worry, we got a problem. We know we're doing 1,000 point loss, and then 600 point gain, and then 800 point gain, and then a 900 point loss. We're just going up and down. We're not really doing anything. The system was supposed to crash last year. The fact that we've lost all the gains for this year, and now we're back at the highs of last year, again, it's not really saying anything yet. You know what I mean? We still got to go lower and lower, all right? So, another piece of news, Coinbase is launching an IPO. I just read really recently, like right before I turned the camera on, that Coinbase is going to be releasing an IPO. That's really interesting. So, if that's really the case, then that means that Coinbase is probably going to be around for a while. And I will definitely be buying Coinbase stock when Coinbase comes online, and so on and so forth. But this is very just interesting. Again, they are creating more vehicles for people to take more trust within cryptocurrencies and start using cryptocurrencies. But again, a thing like Coinbase is something that's going to provide a lot of rules and regulations, and it's going to provide a stranglehold, not a stranglehold, but it's going to give a major hold for the banking industry, the central banks, the governments, to keep tabs on people. So, eventually, yeah, this will get people on board, but then when they realize, like, hey, wait a minute, I can do all of this off the grid and not pay my taxes, not be part of the system, and so on and so forth, they're going to do that. So, again, they are just creating more, tools for us, the regular people, to take down the banks. So, I see the Coinbase IPO and I'm like, okay, great, wonderful. Just like when I see Bakkt and when I see a bunch of other things, just like Trace Mayer, very, very happy that all these central banks are creating the tools that will destroy themselves from within. And help us destroy them from the outside too. So it's just great stuff, you know what I mean? Great stuff. I'm not complaining. I'm really, really happy, as a matter of fact. So, all right, so we got those 3 pieces of news out of the way. Also want to talk about real quick before I talk about the other stuff I want to talk about, oh yeah, one more thing. HTC's Blockchain Phone is taking pre-orders in Bitcoin. That's pretty cool. So they're going to be selling the first blockchain phone with cryptocurrency. So with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's pretty cool news. That's just novelty, fun news. But that's pretty cool. You know, I'm all about the blockchain phone. I'll see if I can link the video to the video I made on the blockchain phone at the end of this video. So I gotta, let's see, I gotta put the video of Bakkt. I gotta put the video of the blockchain phone. All right, so now let's talk about all this other stuff now. First of all, I want to give a quick shout out and a big thank you to all of you guys out there. Every single one of you guys that are supporting the channel in every single way possible. I want to give a big shout out to my patrons. I want to give a humongous shout out to everyone out there, you know, helping with the Jose Fund. This is like a Jose telethon. But yes, you know, we're still about $200 away, a little, you know, $200 away from meeting the goal that we need to meet, so that Jose and Lambo can survive out here a little further. So again, if you can support me in any way, support this, support the channel, support everything we're doing, please, you know, the links are at the bottom, and anything you can send, you know, 50 cents, $1, doesn't matter. It really helps. Everything helps. And I remember, I do this for you guys. I can't do it without you guys. I enjoy doing it, and as you guys already know about me, the one thing I hate fucking doing is asking and being in this position. But hey, it is what it is. Nothing I can really do about it right now. I'm just being 100% honest, and I know you guys come through because you guys always do. You guys are the best, and I fucking love you guys to death. And yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you guys are just freaking amazing. This is why I'm out here doing what I'm doing and being crazy enough to fucking be out here without any money, because you guys are always there to fucking help me out and keep this thing going, and I fucking love it. You guys are the best. I mean, and yeah, you know, it just it gives me emotional sometimes, you know what I mean? Because it's just like, fuck, man, you know?
Guys, I don't know if I ever told you this, but, well, I love you guys. Except for you, Kev.
So it's very lucky and very humbling, you know, to be in this position. And the fact that, you know, this is just the beginning of the journey, and that we're continuing to build and do so much more. And it's just crazy. And every time that, you know, I get some help from you guys, it's just, it's awesome, man. It really is, man. It really fucking is. I mean, for real. Look, even Lambo's all, you know, happy about for you guys and how awesome you guys are. But yeah, so also, okay, so like, you know, okay, that's done. I just wanted to get that out the way because, you know, I have to talk about it, obviously. But I guess that's my commercial. But okay, now let's talk about other stuff. Let's talk about other channel-related stuff real quick. I want to talk about Bit.Tube. Bit.Tube is fucking awesome. I've been using Bit.Tube all week. I've already earned 7 Tube tokens or 7 Tube coins or whatever the fuck that is by just going live on Bit.Tube and you know, uploading my videos and so on and so forth. Bit.Tube is awesome. I would love to use DLive or DTube or any other streaming outlet out there, or any other blockchain type decentralized YouTube version thingy out there. But the only ones I've been able to, the only program that I've actually been able to use with success, that actually works, that actually uploads, that actually does what it's supposed to do, even though still in, you know, they're still building on it, is Bit.Tube. I'm fucking happy with Bit.Tube. I'm in love with Bit.Tube. Bit.Tube is great, wonderful, amazing, and I just want to give a shout out to everyone out there, you know what I mean? Everyone out there that's joined me on Bit.Tube the last several days, and all the support and all the new subscribers and new people joining the whole journey that I've gotten from Bit.Tube. And also, I want to give a shout out to Twitch, because Twitch, even though, hey, I like Bit.Tube better, hey, Twitch has been there for us so far. I'm live streaming on both Twitch and Bit.Tube at the same exact time. And some of you guys like Twitch, some of you guys like Bit.Tube. And you know, that's it. You know, Bit.Tube, you get to actually earn tokens. So while you're watching Bit.Tube, you know, while you're watching me, while you're watching things on Bit.Tube, while you're uploading to Bit.Tube and so on and so forth, you actually earn tokens, just like Steam. So, you know, that's an incentive to just use it right there. So you can actually hang out with us on the weekend, I mean, on weeknights, you know, just hang out with us and just shoot the shit, talk crypto, watch cooking videos, whatever, music videos, it doesn't matter, and you're earning money as you're hanging out with us and chatting and the whole fucking thing. So, and it's really cool. Twitch is cool because, you know, again, Twitch is a program that's been around for a while, so it's kind of like YouTube where it's just more user friendly. But again, I'm finding it that Bit.Tube is actually more user friendly. And I'm gonna link a video at the bottom that Mr. Lodak made the other day, that if you guys have any more questions or, you know, want to know more about Bit.Tube, he kind of did a little mini intro tutorial to Bit.Tube, and I'll link that at the bottom so you guys can watch it and enjoy it. All right. And so please don't forget to join me every night on Bit.Tube and on Twitch, and soon on Periscope, and soon on every other thing. I was trying to get Periscope, aka Twitter, last night, but we're having troubles, you know, getting that stream going. But regardless, I'm gonna see if I can stream on there and stream everywhere else as well. So any other way, and if you guys have any suggestions, please leave a comment at the bottom or let me know of if you have a favorite streaming channel in which I could add to all the other streams that I'm currently trying to do here. So just let me know, okay? That'd be great. Also, Discord, don't forget, hang out with us on Discord. Oh, by the way, I forgot, the live stream is Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, Monday through Thursday. Sometimes we do weekends, okay? This weekend I will be on Friday. So we got a live stream tonight, we got a live stream tomorrow, okay? So please join us. And tomorrow, it should be a lot of fun, debauchery, it's fucking payday, we're all gonna get drunk, fun, whatever, and all that shit. Again, you know, you already know I'm broke, but hey, I got weed and I got alcohol, so you already know what's up. I mean, oregano. Mexican oregano is really good. So yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow night, okay? We're gonna do that, okay? And then for Discord, like I was saying, join me on Discord, guys, please. I know you guys already do. You guys don't have to interact, but it's just like a giant chat room, a giant thing where we can all chat, you know, with each other, or we can all voice chat. You know, we're all in the morning, every single morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, we gather on Discord and we just talk, and it turns out to be kind of like an AM talk radio show, and we all kind of talk and have our opinions, and we're talking about the projects that we're doing together, the projects that we're doing individually. We talk about anything from police brutality to what was on TV last night, to sports, to you name it, okay? All kinds of shit. So, you know, sometimes we're just in there shooting the shit, sometimes we're talking serious stuff, sometimes we're talking about the news. It doesn't matter, we're always in there doing something. And again, you don't have to necessarily talk, but hey, it'd be nice if you can just join in and listen. And I'm trying to see if I can get that whole thing recorded and make a podcast out of it, so you guys can enjoy that too. And also trying to do the same thing with this video and the nightly videos, okay? See if I can get all that together and make a podcast out of it and start uploading those things and be a SoundCloud rapper. Why not? All the kids are doing it, right? I just need to get a face tattoo and I'm good to go. Okay, so now we already covered live streaming, we covered Discord, we covered the Patreon bullshit, we covered, what else did we cover? I think that's it, right guys? I think we covered it all. So that's gonna be it for tonight. Oh yeah, don't forget, please follow me on Instagram, follow me on fucking Twitter, follow Lambo on Twitter, okay? He has an account, believe it or not, he really does, okay? Yeah, that's it. You know, look me up everywhere else on social media. I'll see you out there in the social spaces and all that good stuff. So don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit the bell icon, please yeah, love, peace, and harmony, and get, you know, kiss your brother, hug your brother, your sister. We're all in this together. No one's above anyone. We're all on the same team, Team Human. So let's all fucking go out there and get it. However it is that we go get it. Let's keep building. I'm very proud of everyone out there. I'm proud of Jelena. She's building a bunch of shit on her channel. I'm proud of Outlaw. He's uploading and creating a bunch of stuff out there. I'm very proud of Hugo. He's helping out and building a lot of stuff for all of us. I'm proud of all my patrons out there that are doing your part and helping, you know, the whole situation here. Everyone is doing something. I'm proud of all you guys that are fucking leaving comments on my videos all the time. They help. They really help. And I'm proud of everyone out there. I'm proud of everyone out there just doing their own thing that doesn't interact with the whole channel, but there's out there and they're going out there to get it. They're feeding their family. They're taking care of their kids. They're fucking taking care of, you know, their loved ones. They're taking care of themselves. They're educating themselves. They're learning. They're making a better life for them and everyone else around them. I'm proud of all of you. I think you guys are fucking awesome. Everyone's fucking awesome. And yeah, that's it. Just want to give a shout out to everyone out there, and if I missed anyone out there, I sincerely apologize. All right, but you guys know who you are, and if you guys want me to start giving you shout outs on the videos, just let me fucking know, and I'll give you motherfucking shout outs. I don't give a lot of shout outs because I think some of you guys don't want to get shouted out. Shout it out! But yeah, regardless, you know what I mean? I fucking love you guys, all right? And don't forget, please like, please subscribe, please share. Please hit the bell icon. Please share the knowledge. And I know I already said that twice, but I can't help myself, all right? I can't help talking. I love talking to you guys. I can do this all day. Oh, wait a minute. I do it all day. All right, enough. Peace out, guys. See you guys mañana. Thanks again for joining me. And I'll see you guys actually tonight and mañana and the next day and every day. In fact, I'm fucking always here. I'm like a virus. I'm fucking just taking over the whole fucking internet space.
Oh, help me. Help me. Shut up, horse. Shut up.
Blockchain. It's one of the biggest buzzwords in the tech industry. Say the word blockchain out loud right now, and an executive in Silicon Valley will immediately wet themselves. Here's how it works and why it's important. Explained with Boucher Meat Premium Canned Meat. A blockchain is simply a digital ledger or a chronological written list of events which was designed to be unhackable. The entire list of events is called the chain, and every change to the list is a blockchain. A blockchain can keep track of anything: your financial transactions, medical records, sexual conquests, even your bowel movements. The master copy of a blockchain doesn't exist on a single centralized computer. Instead, it exists simultaneously on everyone's computer. And if you want to make a record of something on the blockchain, all participants must agree that the change is valid. This means that anyone who wanted to hack the blockchain or falsify a record would have to hack tons of computers all at once all over the world at the same time. Blockchain was first used to launch the Bitcoin currency, but it's more than just a tool for you to buy DMT on the dark web. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt any institution, such as the banking industry, that relies on trustworthy records. That includes political elections, apps like Uber and Airbnb, medical records, music streaming, the list goes on. The inventor of the web, Tim Berners-Lee, believes that blockchain may even disrupt the internet itself, providing the foundation for a new, more private and secure internet. Isn't that exciting?